Good day everyone, this is Sir Japheth, and today we'll be discussing about the equation of a straight line. So what to expect from this presentation, we'll be discussing about the general equation of a line, slope of a line, x and y intercepts, and graphing linear equations. Let's start. When we say general form or the general equation of a line, it is in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Take note that this equation is a first-degree equation. Why? Because the highest possible exponent of the variables x and y must be 1. If that is a higher degree, for example, ax squared, then that is not a linear equation anymore. For example, we have 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. In this example, we know that 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 is in general form. How are you going to identify the value of a, b, and c? The value of a is the coefficient of your x. Therefore, if you are going to identify the value of your a, we're going to use this pen. If you're going to identify the value of a, so here if you're going to find a is equal to the value of or the coefficient of your x, which is positive 2. Then b is the coefficient of your y. The coefficient of your y is negative 1. And then your c is the constant term. The constant term is 3. Since this is in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then this is in general form. However, we also have another form of the equation of a line called the slope-intercept form. Now, that is in the form y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So, m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. If you're going to see in this example, y is negative 3x minus 2. So, your m or your slope is negative 3, the coefficient of your x, and your y-intercept, which is your b, is equal to the constant coefficient in the right side of the equation of the slope-intercept form. Now, maybe you're asking, can we transform this general form to a slope-intercept form? For example, if you're going to write this first equation, this number 1 equation, if you're going to write it into the form y is equal to mx plus b, is it possible? Of course it is. So let's start. How to transform general form to a slope-intercept form. So we'll be using another color, so it will be easy to recognize. So we're going to start with this example. How are you going to make this general form a slope-intercept form like this? So we will start at 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Based on the slope-intercept form, we just have to isolate y. It is always your choice. Kung anong gusto mo, if you're going to isolate y in the left side or in the right side, as long as y is isolated, then that's already in slope-intercept form. So based sa ating equation, ang pinakamadaling gawin para ma-isolate si y is to transpose negative y to the right side. Diba? But how are we going to do that? In your grade 7 mathematics, we have learned about addition property of equality. Now, according to that property, to get rid of this negative y in the left side, we have to add positive y. And at the same time, if you're going to add positive y in the left side, you also have to add positive y on the right side. So how are you going to do this? This is how you're going to do that. 2x minus y plus 3 plus, you're going to add positive y. What's the purpose of adding positive y? So that we can cancel negative y, because negative y plus positive y is equal to 0. But of course, if you have added y on the left side, you have also to add y in the right side. Therefore, that becomes 0 plus y. Now, ano na lang matitira sa left side of the equation? Negative y plus y will become 0, right? So, yung matitira na lang dito, this is already 0. Ang matitira na lang, 2x plus 3 is equal to y. So this is now our slope-intercept form of our equation number 1, which is in general form. As you can see, in the slope-intercept form, you can also write this in another way. Diba, ang y natin dito nasa right side, so we can transform it in the left side. So gawin natin y is equal to 2x plus 3. They're also the same. If you're going to identify the slope of the given equation, m is equal to 2, but the y-intercept is equal to 3. So solve. Na-transform natin ang general to slope-intercept. What about vice versa? Ang equation number 2 natin. Take note that this equation number 2 is in slope-intercept form. Paano pag gusto natin itong gawing ax plus by plus c in that form? So we're going to show it and how to do it. Start tayo. This is equation number 2. Start tayo sa given equation. The given equation is y is equal to negative 3x minus 2. Now, the goal only is to make it in general form. Ano ba yung general form natin? Dapat ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Dapat ganito yung resulting equation mo. Now, based on this equation, y is equal to negative 3x minus 2, dapat i-transpose natin si negative 3x minus 2 to the left side. So, how are you going to do that? Like what we did in the previous example here, dapat mawala dito si negative 3x minus 2 in the right side. So of course, para mawala sila, mag-add tayo ng additive inverse nila in the right side. Therefore, mag-a-add tayo ng 3x plus 2 on the right side para makancel si negative 3x minus 2. Pag nag-add ka ng 3x plus 2 on the right side, dapat mag-a-add ka rin sa left side. So madali lang. So we have y plus 3x plus 2. Bakit 3x plus 2? Because we'll be adding 3x plus 2 here. Para pag in-add natin si 3x and negative 3x, that becomes 0. 2 and negative 2, that becomes 0. Hence, ang matitira na lang in the right side is 0. So that becomes negative 3x minus 2 plus, kung anong in-add mo dito sa left side, dapat ganun din i-add mo sa right side. 3x plus 2. See? So, ano lang matitira dito? You cannot add x and y. So, you just have to copy this. 3x plus y, following already the general form para mas madali. Plus 2 is equal to negative 3x plus 3x. Diba that becomes 0 because negative 3 plus 3 is 0. Negative 2 plus 2, that becomes 0 also. So, ano matitira dito? 0. Therefore, this is now the general form of the equation y is equal to negative 3x minus 2. So we're done. No? Na-transform na natin ang second equation natin, which is in slope-intercept form, to a general form. And at the same time, we have transformed a general form to a slope-intercept form. So ganun lang yun kadali. Okay? That's all for this lesson, and see you on my next video. Be safe everyone, and God bless.